Did you know one appliance can replace your oven, fryer, and microwave, all while saving time and space? Today, we're diving into the top 5 best microwave air fryer combos that'll totally transform your kitchen. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to grab your favorite pick through the links in the description below. At number 5 is Panasonic HomeChef 4-in-1. Did you know one appliance can roast, air fry, broil, and microwave, without taking up your whole kitchen? That's the Panasonic HomeChef 4-in-1, and it is quietly redefining what convenience feels like in a busy home. Most people struggle with uneven reheating, soggy leftovers, and limited counter space. But this sleek multi-oven solves all of that in one elegant move. Unlike many microwave air fryer combos that promise speed but sacrifice texture, the HomeChef actually delivers. Thanks to Panasonic's Inverter ingenious technology, food comes out evenly cooked, crispy outside, juicy inside, every single time. Compared to models, this one stands out for real-world consistency and smart app control. Sure, it takes a minute to master the Kitchen Plus app, but once you do, you will never go back. For families who crave smarter cooking, this is peace of mind in a box, tested, trusted, and truly worth your counter space. At number 4 is Breville BMO870BSS. What if one kitchen appliance could replace your microwave, oven, and air fryer, without missing a beat? Meet the Breville BMO870BSS, a 3-in-1 powerhouse that feels like the future of cooking right on your countertop. For anyone tired of soggy reheats or overcooked leftovers, this smart combo finally brings balance, precision, and peace of mind to every meal. Breville's Element IQ system is pure genius. It directs heat exactly where it is needed, giving you golden fries, fluffy brownies, and juicy reheats that rival restaurant quality. Unlike the other combos that focus more on convenience, Breville blends innovation with flavor perfection. Yes, it comes at a higher price point, but that extra investment means quieter performance, smoother cooking, and unmatched consistency. If you value real precision and crave better tasting meals every single time, this one is absolutely worth your kitchen space. On number 3 is Galanz 4-in-1 ToastWave. Did you ever think one appliance could toast, fry, bake, and microwave, all flawlessly? The Galanz 4-in-1 ToastWave makes that possible, and honestly, it is a total game changer for anyone craving convenience without compromise. Most combo ovens promise even cooking, but few actually deliver. This one does, with true convection spinning air 360 degrees for faster, crispier, and juicier results every time. Its sensor cook and inverter technology are the real stars here. No more guessing, no more cold centers or burnt edges, just perfectly heated meals. Compared to the models from the same lineup, Galanz shines for its affordability and effortless precision. It is not the quietest unit, but its performance makes that easy to forgive. For busy families or small kitchens, this isn't just a smart buy, it is peace of mind, served hot and golden. At number 2 is Cuisinart 3-in-1 Microwave. What if your microwave could actually crisp your food instead of just reheating it? The Cuisinart 3-in-1 Microwave does exactly that, bringing air frying, convection baking, and microwaving together in one surprisingly compact design. For anyone tired of limp fries or unevenly reheated leftovers, this machine feels like sweet redemption. Its adjustable air fry mode reaches up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, letting you get that golden crunch without the oil mess. The stainless steel interior keeps things spotless and odor-free, something you do not get with many other combos models. Now, it is not the quietest unit, but its consistent cooking quality easily makes up for it. Whether you are meal prepping, reheating, or crisping snacks, this unit saves space and time while delivering real flavor. For small kitchens or busy lifestyles, this feels like a genuinely smart, worry-free upgrade. Now moving to the last one is TOSHIBA 6-in-1 Inverter. What if one sleek appliance could replace your oven, air fryer, and even your grill, all while cooking faster and healthier? The TOSHIBA 6-in-1 Inverter Microwave is exactly that kind of kitchen revolution. Designed for people who crave crispy textures without the guilt, it air fries, bakes, grills, and microwaves with precision that feels almost magical. Thanks to TOSHIBA's Origin inverter technology, heat spreads evenly through every inch of your meal, no more half-cold leftovers or overdone edges. And that quiet 50 decibel operation? It is pure relief compared to the noisy chaos of most combo units models. Its combi modes cook meals faster than traditional ovens, locking in flavor while keeping food juicy inside. For busy households that want versatility, performance, and peace of mind in one device, this one stands out as a truly smart investment worth every inch of counter space. The winner is Toshiba 6-in-1 Inverter Microwave. If you want one appliance that truly does it all, crisp, bake, grill, and reheat with precision, the Toshiba 6-in-1 Inverter is unbeatable. Its Origin inverter technology ensures even cooking, while combi modes lock in flavor and cut cooking time dramatically. Unlike others, it stays quiet, efficient, and versatile, making it perfect for busy families. From crispy fries to juicy chicken, this is smart cooking made simple, a real game changer for any modern kitchen. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best microwave air fryer combo. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.